Hey, yo, don't judge me, but this is the last day of my work week. I'm gonna try to tie this thing up some because the titties is tittying. Anyway, so my desk look a mess. I don't know what the hell. Anybody else desk look like this? I hope not, cause I got food, snacks, all type of shit just like laying on my desk. Clean this up, and since it's kind of slow today, I guess I'll try to clean up a little bit in between calls, so I ain't gotta rush to do it when I get off. I'm weird like that, to where I'll be trying to clean up after the damn work day is over with, like the work week. Let me see these little sticky notes here. I need those. So anything I actually need on my desk that I actually need, I'm gonna leave there. All the rest of the shit can go in the trash. I won't be needing that. Obviously, I need to find somewhere. I need to have like a little snack basket because I be wanting something sweet. I opened these shits like 2 days ago. I just be want something sweet every now and again. I don't be wanting it right away, like the whole bag. And I got like half eaten bag of chips. Child, I need to have like a little snack pack. I be wanting all of them because I have obviously with the headset, you see, my job is a phone job, so I'm always talking on the phone. So I can't be, like you know, doing crackles and shit. It's all type of stuff on my desk, and it's just a mess. Like the gun, I gotta keep the gun safe, nearby. Do be home, even though I got my alarm system, headset be on, noise canceling. You never know what the hell going on. So I get a little beep beep. Who got the keys to my Jeep? You finna get shot. That's just where the cookie crumbles. Just tell me. Need that at my desk. Oh, what? Why is this spoon here? So put that to the kitchen. This is the stuff that just been keys. I work from home. Why I got keys on my desk? Tell me why. It's the shit I be talking about. I get on my own nerves. A pimple popping. Why? Why? Put that in my little toolkit, I guess. I ain't got walk in with my tool out. Child. Random old ass hair detox pills that I have not started taking because clearly I've been snacking. Let me move this shit off this desk. Let me stop cussing so much. Alright. My job did try to help me out, child, and gave me this little desk vacuum that I clearly don't use. Got my little diffuser. Got all type of dust on it because I don't be using it. I be having all this Zen stuff on the desk and don't turn it on. Like, I make it make sense. I get on my own nerves, child. A bracelet my man bought me this man was determined to buy me jewelry that I don't wear. I'm gonna start wearing it before he kick me out. All right, so work happened, so I had to start working. Of course, let me get my bag back. I really should be ashamed of myself. Should I be showing like what I'm actually cleaning? So this is the trash from the desk part so far. So now that I got that trash in the bag, I'm gonna use some of these. I have a million of these because when COVID first hit, your girl went and had a bunch of stuff. So I do that. I went to like a wholesale store, so I wasn't out there knocking over old grannies. Like some years. You know who you are. Gotta be careful cleaning this daggone keyboard because I don't want to shut my whole system down. And then take a month of Sundays to get it back up. That work from home life. Shut the whole system down. And be up here. Gotta call tech support on a Saturday. That ain't gonna happen. Be missing calls and you gotta a whole bunch of crap. And all you was trying to do was just clean your desk. Trying to be proactive. Of course, I got that laptop sitting right there just in case they be like, oh, we want you on video. Hop into the Zoom. I gotta put some real clothes on. But the titties be tittying. I don't, Jesus Christ. Oops, snap. Hit the back on camera. I had got this desk for like $20 from the Goodwill like 3 years ago before I even started working from home. But I was like, you know what? This a good deal. Can't pass this up and look at it. I end up using it for more than just a clothes rack. I ain't gonna lie. That's what the hell it was for until I got this job. It was, I mean, my computer was on it, but it wasn't really like being used, you know what I'm saying? And also cleaning the screen with dust particles. I may not even have to use that vacuum today. A little wipe down. It's a wonder what happened when you actually clean stuff up. My man probably gonna come here and be like, girl, who the hell are you talking to? I'm like, myself. Myself. I'm talking to y'all, my little 3 followers on YouTube. Yep. So I'm gonna clean my little diffuser, and this is a the hell name of this thing is. It costs like $5, I think. Let me turn it on. So you turn it on like that, the little lever, like a little dot in these little things. I like it to be on the highest one, and it turns blue at the top. Maybe I can see that. And it's supposed to diffuse your little air thing, but let me check and see. This, I get distracted, child. See, it has a little oil in there. It has a little batteries. And batteries better still be good, sure. And go to Dollar Tree later on. $1.25 tree. Shouldn't there be $1 no more. And of course, nothing comes out. I guess to start working eventually. Give me a little vacuum. Got a little lever thing to turn that on. Until the sound suck about your little dust on your desk. But clearly I don't be using it. It's just here for decoration. Because if I was using it, my desk wouldn't look like this. That's pretty much it for right now. Let me put my little sticky notes back here so I can have my little notepad and my little pencil. This is a damn pen. A pencil. My little notes, my little Rolodex index card book, you know, little cheat sheet or whatnot. I really gotta stop doing my hair at this desk, child. I kind of work with a fro and leave with box braids. Yes. I put my little gun. Where would I put this? Somewhere where I can get to it easily without it being on my desk. I'll figure out somewhere to put that, child. I need to put these somewhere else. I'm not cleaning all that other stuff on the bottom of that. Not today. I just made that executive decision. Because that's really just like personal items, paperwork that I need to go through. And I'm waiting until I feel like it. Until I do like a whole room clean. Because we moved here a couple weeks ago. Damn, I lied. We moved here in February. That was damn near 6 months ago. I gotta stop. It feels like a couple weeks. I still haven't finished packing. Got like 3 pieces of gum. I'm gonna put these earrings up somewhere. Get this hair tool. I do micro locks. This is actually the bigger lock tool. I used it to refresh these box braids because I put them in and I did not feel like doing new box braids, so I just interlocked them and kept it moving. With these earrings, and of course, this is what my phone is normally sitting on, so I can listen to my Calm app and ease my mind throughout these calls. It's some lotion that I clearly ain't been using. Ashy bowls, rubber bands. Got a whole bunch of hair tools and shit on this bed. On this desk. Ooh, and drop the scissors. But of course, thick thighs save lives. I'm gonna put that in the hair box where it belongs. Oh, that pencil don't belong there. That pen, that's my little pen. Got that there. Some debit cards without money on them. I need to put some money on them. Because your girl ain't got none to spare. Let me see. I need to put all this here stuff. I have more snacks. Clearly, you know what I be doing at work. This ain't even mine. This is his. Hand me his paperwork. Didn't get mad when I lose it. Do it look like I'm an organized person? Do it look like I'm an organized person? No. The hell? But be like, babe, keep my paperwork. Damn, who is in there stomping like they got on lead boots? More chocolates. My baby bought this for me from Mother's Day. But I'm not really a chocolate person. Ooh. Okay, that's trash now. Alright. Little note. I don't know how I be keeping notes and then they don't be organized. Like, how am I finding notes if I don't organize them? Y'all help me get my life together. Y'all say a prayer for me, please, so that I get my life together. Say a prayer for some organizational skills. Your girl need help. My life is in shambles. Shambles. This is off topic, of course. I have ADHD, if y'all haven't noticed. I ramble. Essential Roots LLC, she's in Miami. I'm not right now, but I'm from Miami. 305, stand up. This little, it's called Pussy Potion, but it's like an oil for your vagine and inner thigh area. I like to use that to keep you get fresh, especially in these summer months. The sweat be sweating, the heat be heating, and the titties be tittying. What the fuck does this go through? I don't even know what this goes to anymore. Oh. More snacks. Make it stop. What the fuck is this? Trash. Trash. It's the fact that I be having to write so many notes at my job that I end up having a bunch of notes, paperwork. Down, good Lord, sure they got them up and down all the time. Ciao. Had to take a little blizzard break because I had like 3 or 4 back-to-back calls. Anyway, let me finish cleaning this thing on desk. These folks be funny. These folks are hilarious. It's comical the way they call in, fussing at you. Like, I know for a fact, if we was in person, it wouldn't be going down like that. But that's neither here nor there. Oh, I said I was going to put these up somewhere else. What else? Oh, I wanted to make a little spot for my snizzy snacks, which I do not need. I need a basket to put my snacks in. That's what I need. And don't be looking at those. There's a little puzzle book here. And that's mostly it. So my desk is clean. I just gotta find somewhere to put all my snacks. Like, you know what? Let me put my business flyers. If you guys are in the market for some micro locks, faux locks, or anything lock style, you hit up your girl at Nappy Locks. I am on Instagram and Facebook. Yeah. I gotta start promoting my business more because your girl be slacking on the pimping. Let me put these right here. Down, good Lord. I'm gonna put my snacks over here. Shorty got a man, strictly cause she don't care. Why I got all these different snacks open? That's the question. I can understand the different snacks, but having the same exact snack open, like I mentioned before, I get on my own nerves. I mean, the same exact snack open. Why? Don't forget that prayer. Like, I really just couldn't finish this juice. I really couldn't finish this juice. That little swig of juice. My chocolates that are been taking me forever to eat. They bought that for me on Mother's Day. The box is still damn near full. Oh, can't forget about these. I don't need to add no more snacks to this desk. Y'all make a note and remind me not to add no more snacks to this desk. And that's pretty much it. My desk is pretty much clean. Let me turn it rainy. So this is like my little desk area. You see how I was looking before? It's done. That was a quick little clean. Took actually in real life maybe 30 minutes because I had like 3 or 4 calls come in, and I don't be like gonna be rattling papers in people's ear. But yeah, that didn't take too long. Click, quick. I keep saying that. Click. What the hell? A quick clean with me.